What is a stock? Meet Caveman. Caveman wants to start his own mammoth steak business, but he needs 100 shiny stones to buy mammoth meat, cooking accessories, and a cool sign. Caveman only has 40 shiny stones, so he asks his friends of the tribe if they want to help, and in return they'll own a small part of his business. Caveman gives his friends little pieces of his business called stocks. Now they're part owners of Caveman's mammoth steaks business. What's the difference between stock and share? Think of stock like owning a whole coconut tree, and shares are the coconuts on that tree. A stock is ownership in a company, and shares are the smaller parts of that ownership. So, when someone says they bought shares, they mean they bought pieces of a company's stock. What is the stock market? The stock market is like a big trading place where people buy and sell pieces of companies, the stocks. So, if Caveman's stand business well, someone else might want to buy a piece of it and pay more than what it originally cost. How do people earn? If Caveman's steaks get super popular and he makes more money, the value of his stock goes up. So if you bought a stock for 10 shiny stones and now it's worth 20 shiny stones, you just made money. Sometimes Caveman might even share some of his profits with you. That's called a dividend, like a reward for helping out. Investors can reinvest those dividends to buy more stock and grow their reward, or they can withdraw the money and use it for something fun, like a new bow or cave-mobile. A little warning. Sometimes things don't go so great. Maybe Caveman has a slow week and sells less steaks. Maybe hunters hunted fewer mammoths and there was a shortage of meat. That could make the stock worth less. That's why the stock market goes up and down, like a seesaw. And now, you know how the stock market works. Thanks for watching, smart investors. See you in the next video.